Who doesn't want glowing, clear, and healthy skin? We all dream of that flawless, glass-like complexion, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Is it even possible for someone like you and me to get that perfect skin? Or are we just stuck in a cycle of trying product after product, hoping for a miracle that never comes? Well, what if I told you that you don't need to buy every new trending product or follow a 12-step skincare routine to achieve glass skin? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, the real secret to glowing, radiant skin is a lot simpler than you think. Let's cut the fluff. The truth is, it's all about simplicity. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need a million serums, toners, or ampules to get the glass skin look. In fact, the secret might just be fewer products and more consistency. Okay, before we even get into the actual skincare routine, let's talk about skin types. Do you ever feel like all skincare products are made for someone else? Maybe you've bought a product that was supposed to work wonders, but it only left you frustrated and still dealing with the same old skin issues. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. There's no one-size-fits-all skincare routine. What works for someone else might not work for you because, well, your skin is unique. So knowing your skin type is the first step toward glowing skin. Here's how to know which one you are. Oily skin, shiny, acne-prone, and sometimes feels greasy, especially around the T-zone. Dry skin, rough texture, tightness, and often feels like it's lacking moisture. Normal skin, lucky you if you have this. Smooth, even texture with minimal blemishes. Now, if you're unsure about your skin type, don't worry. I'll help you figure it out quickly. Simply observe how your skin reacts to changes in the weather or after using certain products. Do you feel greasy midday? Or does your skin feel tight and uncomfortable? This is a good starting point. All right, now that we know your skin type, let's talk about the 3 simple steps that will get you closer to that glass skin look. Ready? Step 1, cleansing. Let's be real. How often do you wash your face properly? Most of us just splash water on it, grab whatever soap is nearby, and call it a day. But this is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine, so don't skip it. You need to cleanse your face to remove all the dirt, oil, and impurities that build up throughout the day. It's like cleaning a canvas before painting. Your skin needs to be clean to fully absorb all the good stuff that comes after. For those of you who wear makeup, double cleansing is your best friend. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, followed by a water-based cleanser to wash away all the leftover impurities. This 2-step process ensures that nothing gets left behind. Pro tip, don't use hot water. It can strip your skin of its natural oils and leave it feeling dry. Stick to lukewarm water and finish with a splash of cold water to tighten your pores. Step 2, hydrate and moisturize. If you're not moisturizing, you're seriously missing out on one of the most important steps for glowing skin. It doesn't matter what skin type you have, everyone needs a good moisturizer. Think of it as your skin's protective barrier. Here's the deal. Your skin loses moisture all the time, whether it's from the weather, pollution, or just the natural process of aging. If you don't replace that lost moisture, your skin can become dry, irritated, and in some cases more prone to breakouts. So, what do? You moisturize, and you do it right. Look for a moisturizer that's lightweight, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides are your best friends here. Step 3, sunscreen. Okay, this is the one that everyone loves to skip. But let me tell you, skipping sunscreen is like setting your skin up for disaster. The sun's UV rays are one of the biggest causes of premature aging, dark spots, and yes, skin cancer. Even if you're not planning to spend the day at the beach, your skin is still vulnerable to UV damage. Did you know that UV rays can even pass through windows? So, whether it's sunny or not, sunscreen is a must. Always wear it and make sure it's at least SPF 30 or higher. And no, SPF in your makeup isn't enough. Apply sunscreen directly to your skin every morning and reapply if you're out in the sun for extended periods. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to take your skincare to the next level. Here are some tips that can really help boost your skin's glow. Add a retinoid. Retinoids are like magic for your skin. They help to speed up cell turnover, which means your skin looks smoother and more youthful. But don't jump straight into it. Start slow, especially if you've never used retinoids before. And always wear sunscreen if you're using one, as your skin becomes more sensitive to the sun. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliation is key for removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, glowing layer underneath. But don't go overboard. Exfoliate just 1 to 2 times a week with a gentle exfoliant. Avoid harsh scrubs that can damage your skin. Diet and water. Want your skin to look amazing? Start from the inside. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated, and try eating a balanced diet full of skin-loving foods like fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Your skin will thank you. The secret to glass skin is patience. Here's the thing. Achieving glass skin isn't about finding a magic product that works overnight. It's about consistency. Stick to a simple routine, be patient, and over time, you'll see amazing results. And remember, don't stress about perfection. Everyone's skin is different, and your journey to clear, glowing skin is unique to you. Stay consistent, be kind to your skin, and trust the process. You're beautiful just the way you are. Keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.